How hot are these Carolina Reaper peanuts, you say? Let's find out. Thermal's on. Change it to red hot. It's one of my favorites. Scan the wall, over to the bed frame. Yep, see that. Pretty cool device. Oh, something's hot there. Something looks hot. White hot, check it out. Black hot's good in darkness. I like black hot sometimes. That thing right there, that hot thing right there, looks like it could give me some trouble. Check out this thermal. All I have to do is touch anything, and it leaves a trace. Just touch it. Of course, you squeeze it, it gets hotter. Funny thing is, it feels cool to your touch when you touch it again, but it leaves heat. Anyway, back to the peanuts. These are the Carolina Reaper peanuts. Heat level 4 peppers out of 6. This is by Blazing Foods, so I expect it to be hot. How hot? I don't know. This is the medium version. Carolina Reaper. It's got some jumbo Virginia peanuts. Yeah, these are peanuts. They're big ones. Cane sugar. Carolina Reaper pepper mash. Carolina Reaper peppers, ghost peppers, and spice. Alright. Make sure I'm rolling. Sorry. Give me a second here. There you go. What do you guys think of that thermal? Pretty cool, right? I think so. I think it's amazing. It helped me see things in the woods that I never even expected. So yeah. Smell test. Smells sweet. Sweet-ish. Sweet. It reminds me of pecans I used to eat that has like a sweet outside. It almost smells like a pizza. You know that sauce smell when you smell that red sauce? And that's what they look like. Ooh, that's a good screenshot. My camera's actually acting good right now. Oh my goodness. No way, that is a perfect picture. Okay, let me get one of the dark ones. You know, to be honest, this is by Blazing Foods, y'all. This may be spicy. Let me see if I can get a good red nibble. Try to get that little nibble. Oh, insta spice, insta heat. Tastes good. Whoa. Insta heat. It is spicy. That thermal imaging doesn't lie. It's tolerable, but I'm not going to eat 2 or 3 peanuts at a time. I feel it. I like it. Tastes good. Tastes great. But I'm not going to eat a whole peanut at a time. No way. No way. Not right now, anyway. But you guys who are into spicy stuff and you really like spicy stuff, I recommend it. I do recommend it. It's got sweet, mostly sweet, a little salt. You definitely get the peppers. You taste the Reaper. I think that's what it is, the Reaper. It has a distinct taste. Tastes good. Ghost pepper. It's legit. It's legit, y'all. It doesn't even brag that it's spicy. That's the cool part. Like they say, find out. You think it's not spicy? Find out. I give it a good thumbs up. Try some. And these thermal imaging things, they're pretty cool.
Heck yeah. Also have night vision too. Recently got. I can clip it onto a hat, fold it down. Need to find out how to do that with this. Heck yeah. Anyway, that's my spicy review. I recommend it if you like spicy stuff. Most kind of sweet, not too sweet, not too sweet now. Just enough. Anyway, blah. Have a good one. Ooh, I've got plenty more to have good ones with. Later.